Hello, my name is Theo Cedar Jones. For the last 33 years, I've been the singer and guitarist in the band Swaybone, which is a story of survival and overcoming terrible odds. In that time, the band has released 6 albums and has also recorded a great deal of material that was never released to the public. Now, through the medium of a flash drive, I can offer for the first time all 111 of Swaybone's best songs since 1995, as well as 59 jams, jazz metal improvisations that showcase the originality and musicianship of Swaybone's incredible lineup over the years. All songs are full resolution, uncompressed WAV files. Each flash drive is made into a piece of handmade collectible artwork by being fastened to found nostalgic items. Simply plug the Swaybone Box Set flash drive into the USB-compatible device of your choice and start to discover the nearly hidden world of rock and roll that awaits you. In each folder is an album or a phase of the band's career that you can enjoy through both printed and digital artwork from the original albums, as well as band posters and logos that you can enjoy while listening to the music. Also included are digital files of Swaybone's lyrics, which take listeners into an unprecedented body of work celebrating my devotional relationship with Harpmaster Adida, my successful struggle to transcend my own ego, and a vast critique of the ego culture, as well as an all-encompassing vision of a new age of prior unity and cooperation for humanity. You get 170 Swaybone songs and jams, plus 20 Swaybone music videos in a fun collectible format for only $99. By purchasing the Swaybone Box Set, you directly support my efforts to further Swaybone, as well as my campaign to bring local band showcases to 25 cities in the Bay Area and Central California through the Real Rock campaign. Support local bands. Support the revival of classic rock. Buy the Swaybone Box Set.